Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the blazer thoroughly. Seams, lining, shoulder pads, and buttons. Measure where fabric is puckering or fraying so you know what to fix first. Remove loose threads and unpick only damaged stitches with a seam ripper. Don't cut into strong seams. Once done, press the affected area gently with a warm iron through a pressing cloth to flatten. Make sure to lay out matching thread and test stitches on scrap fabric before you begin repairing visible areas. You'll next fix structural issues. Start by aligning the fabric edges precisely, pinning them so the grain matches. Sew broken seams using a strong backstitch by hand or a short machine stitch, extending 1 to 2 centimeters past the damaged area to prevent reopening. For a torn lining, slip the lining out enough to access the tier, then hand sew with small hidden stitches so the exterior stays smooth. If the collar or lapel feels floppy, add a strip of thin interfacing inside. Finish by securing buttons and tidying visible work. Sew buttons with a slightly raised shank so fabric sits correctly, and reinforce the button area with a small patch behind the fabric if stress caused damage. Trim stray threads, do a final gentle press with a pressing cloth, and steam the entire blazer to relax any remaining wrinkles. If seams still pucker after restitching, you may need to re-ease the seam allowance to redistribute fullness. If that doesn't solve it, consult a professional tailor for complex reshaping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.